President Biden, meantime, speaking on the Supreme Court's decision today to end affirmative action in college admissions decisions. Let's get over to Emily Wilkins. She has more detail. Hi, Emily.
Hello. Well, Biden came out today saying that he strongly disagrees with a Supreme Court ruling that would effectively ban the ability for colleges to use race as a factor when considering which students to admit. Here's a little bit more about what Biden had to say.
Today, the court once again walked away from decades of precedent and as the dissent has made clear. The dissent states in today's decision, quote, rolls back decades of precedent and momentous progress, end of quote. I agree with that statement from the dissent.
Biden also urged companies to continue to work towards diversity in their workforces and among their employees. And he suggested that colleges should also continue to try to find diverse student bodies, potentially through looking at the amount of adversity that applicants have had to face and factoring that in. We've also already begun to see a response from some colleges. Harvard University, one of the two universities that was listed in the lawsuit, has come out with a statement saying that they are now going to be considering an essay where students and applicants could potentially talk about their personal experiences with race, something the judge's opinion seems to leave open as a way that universities can still look at diversity.
It's also interesting to go back to that 2003 decision where Sandra Day O'Connor wrote that these programs should no longer be needed by 2028, and the court kind of cited that. Roberts did today, saying, therefore, this decision doesn't conflict with that ruling because it would start at that date. What about the implications for the workplace, Emily?
I mean, this could have potentially massive implications. I mean, we are talking really about a group of highly selective elite universities who really do use affirmative action to make sure that their student bodies are diverse. And of course, companies want students from those universities. And so this might change companies to sort of have to rethink, where do they go to recruit? Where do they look for in potential employees? That kind of mindset needs to change, I think, both at the corporate level and at the university level.
Interesting. Emily Wilkins, thank you. We appreciate your update.